Hi, Hiram here. I'm going to do a little review here of a stove that I got at Goodwill some time ago. It's called the Phoenix Campster. It's an alcohol stove. It shows that it's, for using with camping gear they're showing, but I think it's more for in a cabin or something. It's a Trangias type stove. I don't know if you can see it there, where it's got the raised area, has 20 holes. You fill it down through the center. There's holes at the bottom that look like there's insulation inside this. Comes with a little smother cap. One of the problems with it that I can see is there's no screw cap like on a Trangia stove. It's always open, so there's no way to shut this off. Close this up so that the alcohol can't get out. So in my mind, this is more for like a home preparedness kit or something for emergencies, or in a cabin maybe. Let me light this and get it started. What I want to do today is try a boil test on this and see how it holds up, how fast it'll boil. Now, I've never lit this before. This is the first time. I have 2 ounces of alcohol in there. I did a weight on it, empty, as it sits here with the cap. It's 328 grams. Definitely not something for gram weenies. It's 11.5 ounces, or it's 3/4 of a pound. So again, like I said, it would be more for maybe at a cabin or something. Got 2 cups of water here in the standard pot, standard number 1 pot. Not real big flames coming out of this so far. I don't know, can you see it? Very small flames. Maybe it still needs to heat up. I have SLX denatured alcohol in here. There's no windscreen with it. It looks like it's just a burner that you set on top of a table or something. Excuse me. I don't know, the flames keep kind of coming in and out. I don't know if my talking is blowing them out. Have been called a windbag. Okay, let me just put the pot on here. Like I said, there's 2 cups of water. Looks like the flames, the top of the stove to the bottom of the pot is maybe 1 inch. I'll wait until the temperature gets up to 60 before I start the timer. Not exactly a fast burner here. Again, I don't know if it's because this hasn't been used before, if it needs to be broken in. It looks like there is insulation inside the stove, so that should help vaporize the alcohol. We're up to 58 degrees, 59. 60. Start the timer and let's see how long this takes. There we have 210, 211, 212, at 1240. Reached boiling point in 12 minutes 40 seconds. Now I have to admit that's much better flame than what there was to start with. This is the first time this stove was lit, so maybe in all fairness I should have done another test now that it's running. There was 2 ounces of alcohol in here. It says that it holds tank capacity, it says it holds 5 fluid ounces. Maximum burning time, it says 90 minutes with a 3.5 ounce filling. Not sure I understand that. It says that it boils 1 quart of water in 13.5 minutes in an uncovered pot. So this is a covered pot with 2 cups of water and good boiling. I mean, it boiled in 12 minutes 40 seconds. Excuse me again. There's the cap, just snuffs it out. And it comes with a handle to pick up and move the stove around. So that's my first boil test on the Phoenix Campster. I look forward to your input, questions, remarks, helpful suggestions, whether or not I should do another test on this. But like I said, other than the time, the stand is warm, but not overly hot. My thing is, it doesn't have a screw-on cap so that you can put it away. There's free alcohol in here now, so it's not something you could throw into a pack. But anyway, I look forward to your input, and as always, watch for my buddy Max. Bye now. Good boy, Max.